I love the bread ni Mommy. Where is Daddy? Huh? Your food is ready. Eat now. Come on. Eat your food. Are you going to the tip? Huh? Are you going to the tip? Go for a ride with Daddy. He's gonna go for a ride with Daddy. Excited na sa guys. Basta makabati sa. Put your lid on. Come on.